Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Confirm your laptop OS and open network settings. Being precise saves time. For Windows, set the Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection to metered. For Mac OS, limit iCloud and pausing automatic updates helps. On Linux, disable auto updates and use an interface level limiter. Once done, close streaming apps and sign out of heavy sync services so initial data spikes stop immediately. This reduces background traffic while you apply more granular controls and makes the next steps effective. Now tighten control. Go into each app and turn off background refresh or auto start so apps no longer consume data unseen. In your browser, block autoplay, enable image compression or use a data saver extension to reduce page weight. Also disable prefetching. Configure OS updates to download over Wi-Fi only and schedule them for night or manual approval. For cloud services, set sync to manual or limit upload/download rates. If you use a VPN that supports compression, enable it to shrink transfer. Finish by verifying. Open your system's data usage monitor and watch which apps still spike. Monitor for 24-48 hours to confirm real savings. Make small tests, stream one video, sync one folder, then review which settings made the biggest impact. If something breaks, first reset the network adapter and reboot. If an app stops syncing, check its settings or roll back a recent update. As a last resort, temporarily disable the metered setting to restore normal behavior, then reapply controls after fixing the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.